Oh boy. The Maggie alert. Maggie, quit putting everybody on alert. What do you think, Tiny? Oh, there goes the Eclipse Express. They seem to be the main spool runners. I don't know where they're hanging out. Getting some wind now. Let's see if this video picks up the wind sound. What do you think, Nick? Huh? Oh boy. There's Digger. There's Frizzle. Frizzle the Mud Hog. What do you think, Firstborn? Hey, Firstborn. Oh, you always get happy tail when I call your name. Oh yeah, she's a good one. We're getting some complaining up here. Got that Tiny again? Huh? What do you think, Tiny? Sally? I think we've documented some exercise today. There's the two alerters, Moxie and Maggie. Maggie? Yeah, you.